One Piece, stylized in all cap, is a Japanese manga series written and illustrated by Eiichiro Oda. It has been serialized in Shueisha Shonen Manga Magazine Weekly Shonen Jump since July 1997, with its individual chapters compiled in 108 enkabon volumes as of March 2024. The story follows the adventures of Monkey D. Luffy and Ashi's crew, the Straw Hat Pirate, where they explore the Grand Line in search of the mythical treasure known as the One Piece in order to become the next king of the pirate. The manga spawned a media franchise, having been adapted into a festival film by Production I.G, and an anime series by Toei Animation, which began broadcasting in 1999. Additionally, Toei has developed 14 animated feature films, 1 original video animation, and 13 television specials. Several companies have developed various types of merchandising and media, such as a trading card game and numerous video games. The manga series was licensed for an English language release in North America and the United Kingdom by Viz Media and in Australia by Madman Entertainment. The anime series was licensed by 4Kid Entertainment for an English language release in North America in 2004 before the license was dropped and subsequently acquired by Funimation in 2007. One Piece has received praise for its storytelling, world building, art, characterization, and humor. It has received many awards and is ranked by critics, reviewers, and readers as one of the best manga of all time. By August 2022, it had over 516,6 millions copies in circulation in 61 countries and regions worldwide, making it the best-selling manga series in history, and the best-selling comics series printed in book volume. Several volumes of the manga have broken publishing records, including the highest initial print run of any book in Japan. In 2015 and 2022, One Piece set the Guinness World Record for the most copy published for the same comics book series by a single author. It was the best-selling manga for 11 consecutive years from 2008 to 2018, and is the only manga that had an initial print of volume of above 3 million continuously for more than this year, as well as the only that had achieved more than 1 million copies sold in all of its over 100 published tankobon volume. One Piece is the only manga whose volume have ranked first every year in Oricon's Weekly Comics chart existence since 2008. Synopsis. Setting. See also, list of One Piece characters. The globe of the One Piece world. The world of One Piece is populated by humans and other races such as dwarves, more akin to fairies in seas, giants, merfolk, fishermen, long-limbed tribe, long-necked people known as the Snakeneck tribe, and animal people, known as minks. The world is governed by an intercontinental organization known as the World Government, consisting of dozens of member countries. The Navy is the sea military branch of the World Government that protects the known seas from pirates and other criminals. There is also Cypherpol, which is a group of agencies within the World Government that are their secret police. While pirates are major opponents against the government, the ones who really challenge their rule are the Revolutionary Army who seeks to overthrow them. The central tension of the series pits the world government and their force against the pirates. The series regularly emphasizes moral ambiguity over the label pirate, which includes cruel villains, but also any individuals that do not submit to the world government's authoritarian and often morally ambiguous rule. The One Piece world also has supernormal characteristics like devil fruit JP, which are mysterious fruits that grant whoever eats them transformative powers. Another supernatural power is Haki JP2, which grants its users enhanced willpower, observation, and fighting abilities, and it is one of the only effective methods of inflicting bodily harm on certain devil fruit users. The world itself consists of two vast oceans divided by a massive mountain range called the Red Line. JP3 within the oceans is a second global phenomenon known as the Grand Line. JP4 which is a sea that runs perpendicular to the Red Line and is bounded by the Calm Belt. JP5 strips of calm ocean infested with huge ship-eating monsters known as sea kings. JP6 These geographical barriers divide the world into four seas: North Blue, JP7 East Blue, JP8 West Blue, JP9 and South Blue. JP10 Passage between the four seas and the Grand Line is therefore difficult. Unique and mystical features enable transport between the seas, such as the use of sea prism stone. JP11 employed by government ships to mask their presence as they traverse the Calm Belt, or the reverse mountain. JP12 where water from the four seas flows uphill before merging into a rapidly flowing and dangerous canal that enters the Grand Line. The Grand Line itself is split into two separate reefs with the Red Line between being Paradise JP13 and the New World. JP14. Premise. Further information, list of One Piece chapters. The series focuses on Monkey D. Luffy, a human made of rubber after unintentionally eating a devil fruit, was set off on a journey from the East Blue Sea to find the deceased king of the Pirate Gold. Roger's ultimate treasure known as the One Piece, and take over HIS prior title. In an effort to organize HIS own crew, the Straw Hat Pirate JP15 Luffy rescues and befriends a pirate hunter and swordsman named Roronoa Zoro, and they head off in search of the titular treasure. They are joined in their journey by Nami, a money-obsessed thief and navigator, Usopp, a sniper and compulsive liar, and Sanji, an amorous but chivalrous cook. They acquire a ship, the Going Merry. JP16 later replaced by the Thousand Sunny. JP17 and engage in confrontation with notorious pirate. Luffy and HIS crew set out on their adventures. Others join the crew later in the series, including Tony Chope, an anthropomorphized reindeer doctor, Nico Robin, an archaeology and former Baroque wax assassin, Frankie, a cyborg shipwrecked, Brooke, a skeleton musician and swordsman, and Jimban, a whale shark-type fishman and former member of the Seven Warlords of the Sea who becomes their helmsman. Together, they encounter other pirate, bounty hunters, criminal organizations, revolutionaries, secret agents, different types of scientists, soldiers of the morally ambiguous world government, and various other friends and foes, as they sail the seas in pursuit of their dreams. Production, concept and creation. Eiichiro Oda's interest in pirate began in HIS childhood, watching the animated series Vicky the Viking, which inspired him to want to draw a manga series Abu Pirate. The reading of pirate biography influenced Oda to incorporate the characteristics of real-life pirate into many of the characters in One Piece. For example, the character Marshall D. Teach is based on and named after the historical pirate Edward Blackbeard Teach. 3. Apart from the history of piracy, Oda's biggest influence is Akira Toriyama and HIS series Dragon Ball, which is one of HIS favorite manga. 4. Was also inspired by the Wizard of Oz, claiming not to endure story where the reward of adventure is the adventure itself, opting for a story where travel is important, but even more important is the goal. 5. While working as an assistant to Nobuhiro Watsuki, Oda began writing One Piece in 1996. 6. It started a one-shot story entitled Romance Dances which would later be used as a title for One Piece's first chapter and volume. They both featured the character of Luffy, and included elements that would appear later in the main series. The first of these short stories was published in August 1996 in Akamaru Jump, and reprinted in 2002 in One Piece Red Guidebook. The second was published in the 41st issue of Weekly Shonen Jump in 1996, and reprinted in 1998 in Oda as short story collection, Wanted. Set in an interview with TBS, Takanori Asada, the original editor of One Piece, revealed that the manga was rejected by Weekly Shonen Jump 3 times before Shueisha agreed to publish the series. 8. Développement. Oda's primary inspiration for the concept of Devil Fruit was Doraemon. The fruit abilities does reflect Oda's daily life and his personal fantasies, similar to that of Doraemon's gadget, such as a gum fruit being inspired by Oda's laziness. 9. When designing the outward appearance of Devil Fruit, Oda thinks of something that would fulfill a human desire, and added that he does not see why he would draw a Devil Fruit unless the fruit's appearance would entice one to eat it. This the names of many special attacks, as well as other concepts in the manga, consist of a form of panning in which phrases written in kanji are paired with an idiosyncratic reading. The names of some characters' techniques are often mixed with other languages, and the names of several of Zoro's sword techniques are designed as jokes. They look fearsome when read by sight but sound like kinds of food when read aloud. For example, Zoro's signature move Sonigiri, which is written as Demonkut but is pronounced the Samaris Ball in Japanese. Eisaku Inu, the animation director, has said that the creators did not use these kanji readings in the anime since they might have cut down the length by a breath. 11. Nevertheless, Konosuke, the director, said that he believes that the creators made the anime pretty close to the manga. 11. Oda was sensitive about how his work would be translated. 12. In many instances, the English version of the One Piece manga uses one onomatopoeia for multiple onomatopoeia used in the Japanese version. For instance, Saa, the sound of light rain, close to a mist, and Zaa, the sound of pouring rain, are both translated as FSH. 13. Unlike other manga artists, Oda draws everything that moves himself to create a consistent look while leaving his staff to draw the background based on sketch and has drawn. 14. This workload forces him to keep tight production rate, starting from 5 in the morning until 2 in the morning the next day, with short break only for meals. Oda's work program includes the first 3 days of the week dedicated to the writing of the storyboard and the remaining time for the definitive inking of the boards and for the possible coloring. 15. When a reader asked who Nami was in love with, Oda replied that there would hardly be any love affair within Luffy's crew. The author also explained they deliberately avoids including them in One Piece since the series is a shonen manga and the boys who read it are not interested in love story. 16. Conclusion. Oda revealed that he originally planned One Piece to last 5 years, and that he had already planned the ending. However, he found it would take longer than he had expected as Oda realized that he liked the story too much to end it in that period of time. 17. In 2016, 19 years after the start of serialization, the author said that the manga has reached 65% of the story he intends to tell. 18. In July 2018, on the occasion of the 21st anniversary of One Piece, Oda said that the manga has reached 80% of the plot 19 while in January 2019, he said that One Piece is on its way to the conclusion, but that it could exceed the 100th volume. 20. In August 2019, Oda said that, according to his predictions, the manga will end between 2024 and 2025. 21. However, Oda stated that the ending would be what he had decided in the beginning, and is committed to seeing it through. 22. In a television special aired in Japan, Oda said he would be willing to change the ending if the fan were to be able to predict it. 5 in August 2020, Shueisha announced in the year S35th issue of Weekly Shonen Jump that One Piece was ready toward the upcoming final saga. 23. En January 4, 2021, One Piece reached its 1000th chapter. 24, 25, 26 in June 2022, Oda announced that the manga would enter a one-month break to prepare for its 25th anniversary and its final saga, set to begin with the release of chapter 1054. 27. Media. Further information, list of One Piece media. Manga. Main article, list of One Piece manga volume. Written and illustrated by Eiichiro Oda, One Piece has been serialized by Shueisha in the Shonen Manga Anthology Weekly Shonen Jump since July 22, 1997. 28-29 Shueisha has collected its chapters into individual tankobon volume. The first volume was released on December 24, 1997. 30 by March 4, 2024, a total of 108 volumes have been released. 31. The first English translation of One Piece was released by Viz Media in November 2002, who published its chapters in the manga anthology Shonen Jump, and later collected in volume since June 30, 2003. 32, 33, 34 In 2009, Viz announced the release of 5 volumes per month during the first half of 2010 to catch up with the serialization in Japan. 35 Following the discontinuation of the print Shonen Jump, Viz began releasing One Piece chapter-wise in its digital successor Weekly Shonen Jump on January 30, 2012. 36 Following the digital Weekly Shonen Jump's cancellation in December 2018, Viz Media started simultaneously publishing One Piece through its Shonen Jump service, and by Shueisha through Manga Plus, in January 2019. 37-38 In the United Kingdom, the volumes were published by Golangs Manga, starting in March 2006 39 until Viz Media took it over after the 14th volume. 40-41 In Australia and New Zealand, the English volume have been distributed by Madman Entertainment since November 10, 2008. 42 In Poland, Japonica Polonica Fantastica is publishing the manga. 43 Glénat in France. 44 Panini Comics in Mexico. 45 LARP Editors and Letters by Ivrea in Argentina. 46-47 Planeta de Libros in Spain. 48 Edizioni Star Comics in Italy. 49 and Sangatsu Manga in Finland. 50 Spin-off and crossover. Oda teamed up with Akira Toriyama to create a single crossover of One Piece and Toriyama as Dragon Ball. Entitled Cross Epoch, the one-shot was published in the December 25, 2006, issue of Weekly Shonen Jump and the April 2011 issue of the English Shonen Jump. 51 Oda collaborated with Mitsutoshi Shimabukuro, author of Toriko, for a crossover one-shot of their series titled Taste of the Devil Fruit. Jitsu Shoku. Akuma no Mi, Lee. The True Food. Devil Fruit, 52 Wishren in the April 4, 2011, issue of Weekly Shonen Jump. The spin-off series One Piece Party, One Piece PT, written by Ei and in a super deformed art style, began serialization in the January 2015 issue of Seki Jump. 53 its final chapter was published on Shonen Jump on February 2, 2021. 54 Anime. Festival Films and Original Video Animation. One Piece, Defeat Rim. The Pirate Ganzak. Was produced by Production I.G for the 1998 Jump Super Anime Tour and was directed by Goro Taniguchi. 55 Luffy, Nami, and Zoro are attacked by a sea monster that destroys their boat and separates them. Luffy is found on an island beach, where he saves a little girl, Medaka, from two pirates. All the villagers, including Medaka's father, have been abducted by Ganzak and Ashi's crew and forced into labor. After hearing that Ganzak also stole all the food, Laffy and Zoro rush out to retrieve it. As they fight the pirate, one of them kidnaps Medaka. A fight starts between Laffy and Ganzak, ending with Luffy's capture. Meanwhile, Zoro is forced to give up after a threat is made to kill all the villagers. They rise up against Ganzak, and while the Islanders and pirate fight, Nami unlocks the three captive. Ganzak defeats the rebellion and reveals Ashi's armored battleship. The Straw Hat Pirates are forced to fight Ganzak once more to prevent him from destroying the island. A second film, One Piece, Romance Dan Story, was produced by Toei Animation in July 2008 for the Jump Super Anime Tour. It is 34 minutes in length and based on the first version of Romance Dan. 56 It includes the Straw Hat Pirate up to Brook and their second ship, the Thousand Sunny. In search for food for Ashi's crew, Laffy arrive at a port after defeating a pirate named Crescent Moon Galley on the way. There meets a girl named Silk, who was abandoned by a taking pirate as a baby and raised by the mayor. Her upbringing caused her to value the town as their treasure. The villagers mistake Laffy for Galley and capture him just as the real Galley returns. Galley throws Laffy in the water and plans to destroy the town, but Silk saves him and Laffy pursues Galley. Ashi's crew arrive to help him, and with their help he recovers the treasure for the town, acquires food, and destroys Galley's ship. The film was later released as a triple feature DVD with Dragon Ball, Yo! Songaku and Ashi's friends return. And Togami Bashi, Light and Blue Night, that was available only though a mail-in offer exclusively to Japanese residents. 57. The One Piece film Strong World, Episode 0 Original Video Animation adapts the manga as Special Chapter 0, which show how things were before and after the death of Roger. It received a limited release of 3,000 DVDs as a collaboration with the House Food brand. 58. 1999 TV-série. Main article, One Piece, 1999 TV-série. An anime television série adaptation produced by Toei Animation premiere dont Fuji Television en octobre 20, 1999-59 The série reached its 1,000 th episode in November 2021. 60. Upcoming TV série. In December 2023 at the Jump Fest 24 event, it was announced that We Studio would be producing an anime series remake for Netflix, restarting from the East Blue Story arc, to commemorate the 25th anniversary of the original anime series. The remake will be titled The One Piece. 61. Theatrical film. Main article, List of One Piece film. 14 animated theatrical films based on the One Piece series have been released. The films are typically released in March to coincide with the spring vacation of Japanese school. 62 The film features self-contained, completely original plot, or alternate retellings of story arc with animation of a higher quality than what the weekly anime allows. The first three films were typically double features paired up with other anime films, and were thus usually an hour or less in length. The films themselves offer contradictions in both chronology and design that make them incompatible with a single continuity. Funimation has licensed the 8th, 10th, and 12th film for release in North America, and these films have received in-house dubs by the company. 63-64. Live action série. Main article, One Piece, 2023 TV série. On Julie 21, 2017, Weekly Shonen Jump Editorin Chief Hiroyuki Nakano announced that Tomorrow Studio, a partnership between Marty Edelstein and ITV Studio, and Shueisha would commence production of an American live-action television adaptation of Eiichiro Oda's One Piece manga series a part of the series 20th anniversary celebrations. 65-66 Eiichiro Oda served as executive producer for the series alongside Tomorrow Studio CEO Edelstein and Becky Clements. 66 The series would reportedly begin with the East Blue Arc. 67 In January 2020, Oda revealed that Netflix ordered a first season consisting of 10 episodes. 68 On mai 19, 2020, producer Marty Edelstein revealed during an interview with Sci-Fi Week that the series was originally set to begin filming in Cape Town sometime around August, but has since been delayed to around September due to COVID-19. He also revealed that, during the same interview, all 10 scripts had been written for the series and they were set to begin casting sometime in June. 69 However, executive producer Matt Owens stated in September 2020 that casting had not yet commenced. 70 On September 15, 2023, Oda revealed that the show has been renewed for the second season. 71 In March 2021, production started up again with showrunner Steven Meader revealing that the series codename is Project Roger. 72 In November 2021, it was announced that the casting for the series includes Inaki Gadoi a Monkey D. Laffy, Makan Yu a Roronoa Zoro, Emily Rudd a Naomi, Jacob Romero Gibson as Usopp and Taz Skillar a Sanji. 73-74 In March 2022, Netflix added Morgan Davis a Kobe, Ilya Isorlis Polino as Alvida, Eden Scott as Elmepo, Jeff Ward a Buggy, McKinley Belcher III as Arlon, Vincent Regan a Garp and Peter Gadio a Shanks to the cast in recurring roles. 75 Video game. Main article, List of One Piece video game. The One Piece franchise has been adapted into multiple video games published by subsidiaries of Bandai and later a part of Bandai Namco Entertainment. The game have been released on a variety of video game, handheld console, and mobile devices. The video game feature role-playing game and fighting game, such as the titles of The Grand Battle. Meta Series. The series debuted en juillet 19, 2000, with From TV Animation One Piece, Become the Pirate King. 76 Over 40 games have been produced based on the franchise. 77 Additionally, One Piece characters and settings have appeared in various Shonen Jump crossover games, such as Battle Stadium D.O.N, Jump Superstar, Jump Ultimate Star, J-Star Victory vs and Jump Force. Musique. Main article, Music of One Piece. Music soundtracks have been released that are based on songs that premiered in the series. Koei Tanaka and Shiro Hamaguchi composed the score for One Piece. 59 various theme songs and character songs were released on a total of 51 singles. 8 compilation albums and 17 soundtrack CDs have been released featuring songs and themes that were introduced in the series. En August 11, 2019, it was announced that the musical group Sakuramen is collaborating with Koei Tanaka to compose music for the anime's Wano Country story arc. 78. Light novel. A series of light novel was published based on the first festival film, certain episodes of the anime television series, and Dolbu the first feature film. They feature artwork by Oda and are written by Tatsuya Hamasaki. The first of these novels, One Piece, Defeat the Pirate Ganzak, was released on June 3, 1999. 79 One Piece, Logtown Chapter followed en juillet 17, 2000, as an adaptation of the anime television series Logtown Story Arc. 80 The first feature film to be adapted was Clockwork Island Adventure en mars 19, 2001. 81 The second, and so far last, light novel adaptation of an anime television series arc, One Piece, 2 Year Dragon Legend, was published on December 25, 2001. 82 The adaptation of Chopper's Kingdom on the Island of Strange Animals was released on March 22, 2002, and Death of Dead and Adventure on March 10, 2003. 83-84 Curse of the Sacred Sword followed on March 22, 2004, and Baron Omatsuri and the Secret Island on March 14, 2005. 85-86 The light novel of the Giant Mechanical Soldier of Karakuri Castle was released on March 6, 2006, and Death of the Desert Princess and the Pirate, Adventures in Alabasta on March 7, 2007. 87-88 A nouvelle adaptation of episode of Chopper Plus, Bloom in the Winter, Miracle Cherry Blossom was released on February 25, 2008. 89 Art and Guidebooks. 5 art books and 5 guidebooks for the One Piece series have been released. The first art book, One Piece, Color Walk 1, released June 2001 90 was also released in English by Viz Media on November 8, 2005. 91 A second art book, One Piece, Color Walk 2, was released on November 4, 2003 92 and One Piece, Color Walk 3 Lion The third art book, was released January 5, 2006. 93 The fourth art book, subtitled Eagle, was released on March 4, 2010 94 and One Piece, Shark, the fifth art book, was released on December 3, 2010. 95 The first guidebook One Piece, Red Grand Characters was released on March 2, 2002. 96 The second, One Piece, Blue Grand Data File, followed on August 2, 2002. 97 The third guidebook, One Piece, Yellow Grand Elements, was released on April 4, 2007 98 and the fourth, One Piece, Green Secret Pieces, followed on November 4, 2010. 99 An anime guidebook, One Piece, Rainbow, was released on May 1, 2007, and covers the first 8 years of the TV anime. 100 Other media. Other One Piece media include a trading card game by Bandai called One Piece CCG and a drama CD centering on the character of Nefertari Vivi released by Avex Trax on December 26, 2002. 101-102 A Hello Kitty inspired Chopper was used for several pieces of merchandise as a collaboration between One Piece and Hello Kitty. 103 A Kabuki play inspired by One Piece ran at Tokyo's Shimbashi ambush throughout October and November 2015. 104 An event called One Piece Premier Show debuted at Universal Studios Japan in 2007. 62 The event has been held at the same location every year since 2010. 105-106, except in 2020, when the event was cancelled due to the COVID-19 pandemic. 106 By 2018, the event has attracted over 1 million visitors. 107 The Baratie Restaurant, modeled after the restaurant of the same name in the manga, opened in June 2013 at the Fuji Television headquarters. 108 An indoor theme park located inside the Tokyo Tower called the Tokyo One Piece Tower, which includes some attractions, shops and restaurants, opened on March 13, 2015. 109 One Piece is the first ever manga series to hold a dome tour, in which events were held from March 25-27, 2011, at the Kyocera Dome in Osaka 110-111 and from April 27-Mai 1 of the same year at the Tokyo Dome. 110-112 In 2014, the first One Piece exhibition in South Korea was held at the War Memorial of Korea 113 and the second exhibition in Onjik-dango Art Center. 114 In 2015, a One Piece trompe-l'œil exhibition was held at the Hong Kong 3D Museum. 115-116 One Piece on Ice, episode of Hellbester premiered on August 11, 2023, in Yokohama, starring two-time reigning world champion Shoma Uno in the lead role of Monkey D. Luffy and junior world champion Marin Honda à Princess Vivi. Other cast members included 4 continent champion Nobunari Ode, Kazuki Tomono, Keiji Tanaka, Koshiro Shimada, and Rick Rango. 117. Reception. Salle. One Piece is the best-selling manga series in history. In 2012, Oricon, a Japanese company that began its own annual manga sale ranking chart in year 2008, reported that the series was the first to sell 100 million copies. The company does not report on sale figure before April 2008. 118. The series had over 300 million copies in circulation by November 2013. 119. It had over 440 million copies in circulation worldwide by May 2018. 120. 460 millions copies by December 2019. 121. 122. 470 millions copies by April 2020. 123. 124. 480 millions copies in circulation in 43 countries worldwide by February 2021. 125-126. It reached 490 millions copies in print worldwide by Juillet 2021. 127-128. By August 2022, le manga had reached 516 566 millions copies in circulation worldwide. 129-130-131. One Piece was the best-selling manga series for 11 consecutive years from 2008 until 2018. 132. In 2019, le manga did not top the chart for the first time in 12 years, ranking second in the annual manga sale ranking with over 10.1 million copies sold. 133. Although it remained as the best-selling manga by volume in its 12th consecutive year. 134. It was the third best-selling manga series in 2020, with over 7.7 million copies sold. 135. While volume 95-97 were the 23rd des 25th best-selling manga volume of 2020, behind the first 22 volumes of Demon Slayer, Kimetsu no Yaiba. 136. In 2021, it was the 6th best-selling manga with over 7 million copies sold. 137. While volume 98, 99, and 100 were the 6th, 8th, and 9th best-selling manga volume, respectively. 138. It was the fourth best-selling manga series in 2022, with over 10.3 million copies sold. 139 volumes. 101 104 were among the 10 best-selling manga volume of the year. 140. It was the fifth best-selling manga series in the first half of 2023, period between November 2022 and May 2023, with over 3.5 million copies sold. 141. While volume 105 was the best-selling manga volume from the same period, volume 104 placed 19th. 142. Volume 105-107 were among the best-selling manga volume of 2023. 143. Volume 108 was Shueisha's highest first print run manga volume of 2023-2024, period between April 2023 and March 2024, with 3.2 million copies printed. 144. Individual volume of One Piece have broken publishing and sale records in Japan. In 2009, le 56th volume had a print run of 2.85 millions, the highest initial print run of any manga by then. 145. The 57th volume had a print run of 3 millions in 2010. 146. A record that was broken several times by subsequent volume. The 60th volume had a first print run of 3.4 millions and was the first book to sell over 2 million copies in its opening week on Oricon Book Rankings. 147-148 and later became the first book to sell over 3 million copies in Oricon's history. 149. In 2012, the 67th volume had an initial print run of 4.05 millions, holding the record of the volume with the highest number of copies in the first print. 150 One Piece is the only manga that had an initial print of volume of above 3 million continuously for more than 10 years. 151 In mai 2023, it was reported that each of the 105 volumes, published by Den, had sold over 1 million copies. 152 Additionally, One Piece is the only work whose volume have ranked first every year in Oricon's Weekly Comics Chart existence since 2008. 153-154. One Piece has also sold well in North America, charting on Publishers Weekly's list of best-selling comics for April/May 2007 and numerous times on the New York Times Manga Best-Seller list. 155, 156, 157 on ICV2's list of top 25 manga properties fall 2008 for North America, which is compiled by interview with retailers and distributors. Nielsen Bookscan's top 20 lists of graphic novels and ICV2's own analysis of information provided by Diamond Comics distributors. One Piece came in 15th place. 158 It rose to second place on their top 25 manga properties Q3 2010 list. 159 By August 2022, le manga has sold 2.9 million copies in print in North America, including single volumes and omnibus editions. 160 In France, One Piece has been the best-selling manga since 2011. 161 with over 31.80 million copies sold by August 2022. 162 The manga is very popular in the country, where its sales alone represent 8.5% of the French manga market by 2021. 163 The first volume had sold more than 1 million copies in France by July 2021. 164 The 100th volume had one of the biggest initial prints ever for a manga in the French market, selling 131,270 copies in just 3 days, the best-selling manga volume in a week in the country. 165-166 The manga sold 6,011,536 copies in 2021. 167 This amount represents almost 20% of the total sale in the country. Almost 1 in 5 volumes of the series was sold in the year. 168 In Italy, One Piece had 18 million copies in circulation by April 2021. 169 which represents around 22.5% of the series market outside Japan. 170 In September 2021, the limited edition of the 98 volume ranked first in the best-selling book weekly ranking, making it the first time that a manga reaches that achievement. 171 In Germany, One Piece is the second best-selling manga behind Dragon Ball. The manga had sold 6.7 million copies in the country. 172 Critical response. Allen Divers of Anime News Network comments in 2003 that there are still One Piece employees initially seems very cartoonish with much of the character design showing more North American influence than that from its Japanese origins, adding that the artwork and settings come across as timeless in their presentation. Et also note that the influence of Akira Toriyama, Dragon Ball, shines through in Oda's style of writing with its epic battles punctuated by a lot of humor and death, in One Piece, and manages to share a rich tale without getting bogged down by overly complicated plot. 173 Rebecca Silverman of the same site stated that one of the series' strengths is to blend action, humor, and heavy fare together and praised the art, but stated that the panel could get too crowded for easy reading. 174 The website ActiveAnime describes the artwork in One Piece as wonderfully quirky and full of expression. 175 Mario Vuck from Splash Comics commented that Oda's pleasantly bright and dynamic art still suits the story's funny and exciting atmosphere. 176 Isaiah Colbert of Kotaku called One Piece a masterpiece, highlighting Oda's character writing, world building and the balance between fun and serious subject matter. 177 Dale Bashir of IGN wrote that One Piece is more about the world building, adventuring, and the meaning of freedom instead of the usual shonen battling from series like Dragon Ball and Naruto. Bashir concluded, while not everyone would want to go so far for a franchise that isn't even finished yet, trust me when I say that it is definitely worth it. 178. Ex-media loads ODAS are for ITS crispy monochrome picture, great use of subtle shade change on color page, sometimes exquisite use of angle, and for ITS consistency. 179 Shannon Kageruti, who at some point edited the series for English Shonen Jump, said that, while doing so, her amazement over Oda's craft grew steadily. She states that has a natural, playful mastery of the often restrictive weekly manga format. Note that interesting things are going on deep in the narrative structure and recommends sticking through to the later volume to see just how crazy and Peter Max Y the RG. 180 Mania Entertainment writer Jared Pink commented, One Piece is a fun adventure story, with an ensemble cast that is continuing to develop, with great action and character drama. He praised Oda's artwork as imaginative and creative and commented that Oda's imagination just oozes all of the panel sick. He also noted that Oda's panel work features a lot of interesting perspective and direction, especially during the explosive action sequences which are always a blast. 181. In March 2021, Mobile Suigan dans S Creator, Yoshiyuki Tomino, said in a HS interview that One Piece is the only manga to trust. He praised the manga, commenting, still, we are working in the same studio and he saw storyboard near the photocopy. Unlike mine, those storyboards are good. Bu, you know, among the popular manga there is manga with very beautiful art and manga with bad art, bu interesting nonetheless. And I don't trust manga with very beautiful art unless it is One Piece. 182. After the release of the 100th volume, Weekly Shonen Jump's editor-in-chief, Hiroyuki Nakano, explained how One Piece changed the history of manga and the way of making it. Nakano said that Weekly Shonen Jump is a game of weekly popularity, and before One Piece, he aimed for something interesting this week without thinking about the next. However, the series reached overwhelming popularity due to its style that involves a story concept and detailed hints, aiding that the series had a huge impact on other series. Nakano lauded Oda for HIS overwhelming passion, talent and power and HIS unwavering will to deliver a story to boys and girls, aiding that it goes far beyond the reader's expectation, with the belief in don't fool the reader and there is something interesting ahead of it. 183. Merchandise. The brand made more than $1 billion in retail sales in Japan by 2004. 184-185. Awards and accolades. One Piece was nominated for the 23rd Kodansha Manga Award in the Shonen category in 1999. 186 It was a finalist for the Tezuka Osamu Cultural Prize 3 times in a row from 2000 to 2002. 187, 188, 189 with the highest number of fan nominations in the first 2 years. 190 The manga was nominated for Favorite Manga Series in Nickelodeon Magazine's 2009 Comics Award. 191 In 2012, the series won the 41 Japan Cartoonists Association Award Grand Prize, alongside Kimushi Yokoyama's Nico Darak. 192 In 2014, the series received the 18th Yomiuri Advertising Award as Golden Medal. 193 It also won the 34th Newspaper Advertising Award in the Advertising category. 194 and the 67th Advertising Dentsu Award in Newspaper Advertising Planning category. 195. The 46th volume of One Piece was the best manga of 2007, according to the Oricon S Japanese Book of the Year Action Committee. 196 The series was chosen as one of the best continuing manga for all age/teens in 2011 by critics from Abu.com, Anime News Network, and Comics Alliance. 197 The series HAS ranked on the Book of the Year list from Media Factory as Da Vinci Magazine, where professional book reviewers, bookstore employees, and Da Vinci readers participate. It ranked 15 2011 198 second in 2012 199 third in 2013 200 second in 2014, 2015 and 2016 201 202 203 third in 2017 and 2018 204 205 second in 2019 206 third in 2020 and 2021 207 208 second in 2022 209 and third in 2023. 210 It ranked 8 in the 2023 edition of Takarajima HAS Kono Manga Jiesugwa. List of best manga for male readers. 211. The German translation of the manga won the Sondermann Award in the International Manga category in 2005. The series received the award for the 44th volume in 2008 212 and the 48th volume in 2009. 213 One Piece won the Anime Land S Anime et Manga 19th Grand Prix for the Best Classic Shonen category in 2012. 214 215 In Apple conducted by Oricon in 2008 Abu the most moving, touching, manga ever, One Piece ranked first in both male and female categories. 216 In another 2008 poll by Oricon, Japanese teenagers voted it the most interesting manga. 217 On Tencent S Anime and Manga web portal, One Piece ranked first in a poll of must-read manga for the younger generation in China. 218 In a poll conducted by eBook Japan in 2014 Abu manga that children want to read for children as Reading Day by the Ministry of Education, Culture, Sport, Science and Technology, the series also ranked first. 219 On June 15, 2015, it was announced that Eiichiro Oda and One Piece had set the Guinness World Record for the most copy published for the Sam Comics book series by a single author with 320,866,000 copy printed worldwide by December 2014 220 It updated the record on August 4, 2022, when it reached over 500 million copies in circulation worldwide in both print and digital copy, 416,566,000 in Japan and 100 million copies in 60 countries and territories outside of Japan. 131 The series ranked fourth on the first annual Tsuteya Comics Award All-Time Best section in 2017. 221 In 2021, TV Asahi announced the results of its Manga General Election poll in which 150,000 people voted for their most favorite manga, One Piece ranked first on the list. 222-223 In 2014, the One Piece Premier Summer Event received the Best Overall Production Award from the International Association of Amusement Park and Attraction. 224 Cultural Impact. A part of an effort to help Kumamoto Prefecture recover from the 2016 earthquakes, Oda helped set up the statue of the straw at Pirate around the prefecture. Laffy was the first statue to be unveiled in front of the Kumamoto Prefectural Government Office on November 30, 2018. Jimbe was the last statue, unveiled at Sumiyoshi Keigun Park on Juillet 23, 2022. 225-226 At the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, Greek athlete Miltiadis Tantoglou performed a GEAR second pose before winning a gold medal in the MENS long jump competition. 227 A gene in the fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster, was named Baramisin, partly taking inspiration from the One Piece character Buggy. The gene encodes a protein that is split up into multiple parts. 228 Attestatum Ibergenu was named Alabasta, partly in reference to the One Piece Kingdom of Alabasta, also known as the Kingdom of Sand, a desert kingdom located on Sandy Island in the Paradise region. 229